Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make white chapatis. If you're new, please subscribe down below and let's get started. So what you'll need is 8 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and warm water. Mix them together and start kneading. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and continue kneading until it's soft. After that, you can leave it for 15 minutes by covering it with a kitchen towel and start working on it after that time. After that, roll the dough into a big circle. It doesn't matter if it's not a perfect circle. Apply some oil on top and cut it into equal shapes. Now in each shape, you will form a spiral shape as shown below. In each spiral shape, you will roll it into another circle. Now that will be your chapati, and fry it for a maximum of 3 minutes on both sides. Now the moment that you've all been waiting for is here. My chapatis, you can see they have some nice layers. I'm all about soft layered chapatis. What do you guys like eating chapatis with? You can leave them at the comment section. Let me know what you like with chapati. As for me, it's dengu. I love eating with dengu. And that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, you can always comment down below. Leave them at the comment section. Subscribe to my channel also if you haven't subscribed. It really supports me. And also follow me on my Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.